Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Lead forecaster James Mccullough here with the Tennessee Weather Task Force bringing you a winter storm impact briefing. Current time is 11:55. Day is Sunday, February 15th, 2015. This briefing is concerning the time period for this evening all the way through tomorrow afternoon. We're going to take a quick look at the National Weather Hazardous Map. This winter storm that is beginning to form is pretty massive. It's covering several states, almost the whole state of Arkansas, pretty decent sized amount in Missouri, almost all except for a few counties in Kentucky and a few counties in Tennessee that are not covered in that. Um, you have wind chill watches and advisories going all the way up the East Coast. Of course, we dealt with that over the overnight period. A winter storm warning is in effect for all of the Middle Tennessee counties. This winter storm warning is in effect from tonight through Monday evening. Some people really aren't for sure what a winter storm warning means. A winter storm warning means significant amount of snow, sleet, and ice are expected to occur. This will make travel very hazardous and impossible. So take a look at the current radar. Nothing. Our radar is crystal clear, but that will change as we get into the overnight hours. So take a look at the impact meter. This is for tonight through tomorrow evening. As we look into the possibility of heavy snow, impact meter, we've set that as a high chance. Ice and sleet, mainly that's going to be for our southern counties. Some moderate. Some may end up being a quarter inch to a half an inch of ice. Road conditions. We expect road conditions to deteriorate into the Monday morning time period, with the temperature remaining below freezing for the next couple days and has not been above freezing for almost 24 hours. Anything that falls is going to stick. It's going to stick to the roads. It's going to stick to elevated surfaces. It's going to stick. With the models, we are seeing a little bit of uncertainty. There's a high amount of uncertainty with the exact track of the storm. As you can see here, the possibility of number one track is that the system actually passes directly over the Middle Tennessee area, cutting over just east of Nashville. If that happens, that's going to put us on the borderline. We'll see a wintry mix possibility, with the snow staying to the north and the west of us and rain to the south. So take a look at the possibility for number two. Number two track is if it goes to the south of us, just crossing into the by the Huntsville, Alabama area. That will put us on the colder side of the storm, which would give us more opportunity for snow and maybe some ice accumulation for our southern counties, with rain staying to the south of us. But however, the likely track for that storm is that the storm is actually going to pass between Huntsville and Huntsville and Birmingham, Alabama, which would put us in the cold side of that storm, which would give us the opportunity for more of a winter storm possibility. Difference between last night's models and this morning's models is it has actually shifted that low 100 miles to the north. So we have a lot of uncertainty with the storm, and I want to put the disclaimer out there that these are only forecast are not promised. Things change. But as we go into the next couple hours and we get new model run data, we'll correct our forecast if need be, tweak it, and we'll make sure that we let you guys know. Current forecast that we're thinking, since the bulk of that storm is actually shifted to the north, that's going to put them in the colder side, and the northern counties from Stewart County to northern Davidson, Trousdale, and all the way over to Fentress, could see as much as 10 inches. Again, the problem with this is the low still has to form. The low still has to moisten the atmosphere. And it also depends on how much moisture the system actually has to work with. We could see more, we could see less. But this is just a possibility. This is as much as 10. Again, it could change. For the Davidson Metro Nashville area to Perry County, Wilson County, Putnam, Cookeville area, and Cumberland County, you can see as much as 8 inches. Again, it's not promised, and it will change. For the rest of the area, you can see as much as 4 inches, maybe as much as 6. But 6 is kind of pushing it. Our next update is scheduled for 8 p.m. this afternoon when we have calculated the new model run data, and we'll tweak whatever we have to tweak. If you have not already, we encourage you to sign up for our Nextl Alert program. It is absolutely free. Only thing you need to do is text the keyword TNWXTASK, all in caps, to 888-777. This gives you alerts, advisories, community, and traffic. We don't issue as many. We try to keep it down to a minimum if we can. But it's a really great program. We have a lot of people that rely on that. If you live in an area where television isn't always a possibility, power could go out. How else are you going to receive those updates that can keep you and your family safe, especially during severe weather? But we encourage everybody to take a look at that, sign up for it. It's free. Sign your mom, grandparents up, family, whoever. It's a really great program. We thank you guys for watching our video, and we hope to hear from you guys soon.